Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan da Ashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakir dog ying jongpi.
Menteri Ketnat Kekoi Kekia Jong Sorkat Jelau ba AL Heng Haringkat Director of Health Services MI Dr. Amanwar Gila Lejingo Ega Nazareth Hospital Kabade Jaka Sumar Kabala Buon Pha Kinong Pang COVID-19 Uba hek ulayo penikaran bagi bor penya jong hospital ban tip ye kejing bagi kendo bat kumju ru ban ai men si meki ba kinang la ban ai kejing sekri ka kham bha shu ya ki pat ba kejela ha kejing keren bat ka administrator jong keni ka jaka sumar ka sister Norin klaya thu ba kumba kalong menta kinong pang covid kila bon bha hanasret bat kila palat ya kasan phongun dan na pedang jong ki badan ha pedang kejing stom jor bat don ru ki ba kham shirkom kalau itu ba kajing bagani hospital ke kenduk mentah ke kajing duna oksigen namar bayaki oksigen haban wanra na bar jilla henrei habaya keren pan bat uba AL hek ulaong ba kajing wan jengo jong u kalong bantim ya kijing duna bat kijing jong hospital bat ulak kular ba sorkar kan le kat bala men penbiang ya kijing duna ki ba kani hospital ke kenduk u Dr. Amanwar ulaong ba habaya nujor ya ka ba mentah bat ya ka ba menchem snem kani kajing pang kala treating mentau snem bat kum tahu lah kentui kipat ba bakin mi syakmat ban syai injektika kenang bakan long kalat jinga dai ki ula kentu ru kipat ba ki dai ban kit kya daladi ladihi ban syong khop halayeng bat kim dai ban am hadu ba sarkar kan dapen mi dak hukum
we have nearly 67 patients of COVID positive. And Dr. Hinjodi Das is ICU in charge and he is looking after all the critical cases. And then I hand over to Dr. Debu to speak about the patient's details.
We have a lot of critical cases, around 60 to 40 COVID pneumonia cases. One important message is that most of these cases were not vaccinated. So those cases which had one vaccination also, and few of our doctors who are properly vaccinated, they are not having any pneumonia symptoms. So I would request our general public and all the senior elderly people to be vaccinated as soon as possible, and the young guys whenever they get the chance, whoever get the chance to be vaccinated, that is first. And this time compared to last year, last year we had maximum of 40 cases at a time. And this time we are going up to 70 plus cases. So the issue is quite, concerning, and we should follow the COVID protocol, and we should follow the government guidelines in whatever we do and what in our daily life. And we have some issues of lockdown and all, which will be a phased manner. It should go off as the time comes down. And if the case keeps on increasing, we'll have issues in admission also. Now, as of now, we have 15 plus critical case in Nazareth. We already have ventilation support is fully occupied, so we will not be able to help critical case, So better to be safe at home and to take proper COVID precautions. Thank you.
To ensure that the services to the positive patient and also for the normal patient, it should not be denied. We are here to Nazareth Hospital to ensure that the cooperations from the health department, from the government, is there all the time. Anytime they need any kind of services, suppose for any shortage of the oxygen, shortage of any manpower or any other thing, the government will try to help them in any way when it is possible to see that ensure the patient should not be denied any kind of service.
Lada kani ka keren kadang ya bagi bon ke bayo bat ken bon ke bolong critical kai ka baka sarkar kan ne lada kini ki hospital kin nan jaga tia so nam ta ka jongki
iwan na ta daw hi ben ong bangi na kaliang jong sarkar ni don ketilang bat ki private hospital na ka benta ben ai ki jingirap ki jingnon kam ka jongki tina ta daw iwan benta ban ui ba ka ki jingduna bagi kendo tina na ta daw ngi kwa ba ka private hospital ru kini benum dan kano ka jing ban ai ka jing sumari ya gitu ki normal patient bar ka ju poru ya ki positive patient
dak buram ya I minister badi pet ka trat ka ka khia jong ka jela ka jongi ba AL hek ka chingwan ka jongi menta sekani ka hospital kadai namar bangi ba ki bon palat kini ki case ki ba long positive kiba shitam kiba poi kani ke hospital bangin ai ya ke encouragement ya kinong penya jong hospital di ki doktor jong hospital bagin nang khamtre khambaha namanta kinong pang kibadan hangni bat filayos ngo nei doktor hi bong ba bani nujur ya ke baja mencel senam bat ke baja mentau senam kalong ke bajur bat ke ba kongsan ne ke ba filayo ya kubor nei doktor kalong ba kitu ki beladap ai ya ketika leni ke vaccination ka lada kilong positif ru kam da shitam than ki ba shitam gide gitu ki ba kham ai vaccination but filai ka jing do ki jing im ki jong ki para brio ki jongi ki babon nakat ni ka khlam ka mentah but ka kubor ka ba kongsan bangi ai Shakipat nong song gijong. The message we have to give to all the residents, the citizens of the state is very clear. You don't need a lockdown. It is you who is supposed to lock down yourself seeing the condition like this. You don't need to impose anything. It is the responsibility of each and every citizen to make self-imposition so that we contain the spread. Kabakong san kalong kabashingan tam, the safest place now kabashingan tam kadai ka yeng lajong lada amdan kam ban mi umdai ban mi playo sngohi mentan ya ka jingjur jong ka ni ka jingpang but kabakong san ki bakham ai vaccination kada kham jur shu te kamut lada ngilayo ya ka vaccination menta sobhawan chakmat but ngan ong yang sai sisien wat nummi shabar kram danon kajing don kam kajing mi jong fi sabar lada fio to ya ladi fila banum lele fila banum dan kajing sitam kiban sitam kindai apo yeng jong fi ngila ban tem ni kani ka khlam lada ngia trailang ngier long renti lang bat ke sarkar bat ki rang ba snong bat ki nong peniat snong bat baro ki hospital keleng ki bofer ki badan hapo kani ka jella ka jungi bat ka khang kong santam lada kadang bun kini ki balong positif kadang ban khia ki hospital ki jungi kadang ban khia ya ki nong trei jong ki hospital ki jungi ki doktor ki nurse baro teten adu ki baret adu ki bahe ki administrator jong ki hospital bat kani kan wanra ya ka jing sitom bat ya ki nong pang apor berkiwan lada ki doktor jongi kila athat lada ki sister jongi kila athat lada ki nongtrei jongi kila athat pinsem gajing bat kasami gajing dam gajing bom sultanat nakal yang kipat ba bat ngakentu haba village charno no hospital ki doktor ki dei ki ba ai gajing sumar kamdei kapor ba fin kadokti yanu yenoru ai ba katu ko hospital ka badan ka village mafi gajing pinyat ki ba kilabu renti pin buat renti bat kanum dan kanu kajing yang kenroi kajing ketakti yanu yenoru lada file akum ni kawarahi kajing stom ya kipat nong song gijungi ya kinong pang gijungi ngingit skam ru play try kan ra jungi unda keringi na kani ka khlam bat ngingit skam ru ba gijing duai gijong fi kinlong kiba yarap hakamaru play try kan ra yangi kiba tray hakani ka kam bat kumjuru ya ki nong senchar snong ki jungi ya ki nong senchar ya ki minister ki jungi cabinet minister jungi ki administrator ki jungi bakin wan rai ki rai ki balong ki babha bat ki bayarap ya ki pat nong snong jungi
14 days the oxygen was coming and now at present with the present scenario every 38 hours we have to fill the oxygen tank that has to come from liquid.
How many critical cases you have out here and how many like that?
We have C category 35 patients and D category that is with the letter and the airway 16 patients.
COVID situation menta apa hari dia berkawai pada Meghalaya kanang kiu nak man kasi kanang kiu kanang double bed tidak tahu ngi kentu bagi kerpat ngi baro bagi one bensim ya vaksin ada ki monsim ya ketika kanwara sibon gejenge kubalaong i doktor meban menindang basyai ba John ki beliau kila babe hadin ba ki khamshi me vaccine ki ban bu ya ki me la jong apa hospital ki klat no namar bakim nget yo vaccine ti kini ai borok gim ko ban jenja ban dua i da ongru kala ban poi du put ba siteng na ki population ki jongi ki jingdan ki brio ki jongi kila ban jano anu no jingja susu te ban light yang kita ki jingja ki borok ni arbor ki kuntu ban ni aware ki pai ba bagi nuan sakmat ban sib ya vaccine fi de kalian jongi ke sarkar bende ha review meeting ru la chair ri da honorable chief minister ngelaikan da ba syai ban create bondli kini ki covid hospital di mendang lapang kre ya ka ani ka IM Shillong hang turungin bu ya ki covid ka tu kan ne gut tambah ki bedai ta ka A B kategori lain no ki bedai ki ventilator la ni ki bedai hakiban A ya ka oxygen tiki balong belum melaga oksigen rugin persang ban penbiang hi hang tepo IM Shillong ni nong tamai ar kumjur ki lapang kre hang tepo NIFT tang hapo si teo e ka teru ka lalong ready tiga IM Shillong ni nong tamai te lalong ready benda dan kabanda jong itu ki corona care center bat aga juga poru ya ki itu ki balong positif ki badang la ban sumarhi daladi ladi
Nampak ini balong kritikal Pak.
Jadi balong kritikal dengan dan gidan haka gidan civil hospital gidan lagi private hospital gidan mentak genang tengkre ya kata ka Saudi TB hospital kabade hadu sispa jingtia da kabanda ki covid patient balong kritikal